This is concept question 3.2 from chapter 7. The question says, Jim's favorite breakfast is 2 eggs, 1/5 pound of bacon, 1/7 pound of white toast, 1/6 of a can of frozen concentrate orange juice, and 1 pound of grapefruit. The following table contains 1991 and 2001 prices for these 5 items. Using 91 as the base year, compute the price index for Jim's breakfast for 2001. So the first thing we have to do is find how to compute the price index. So I clicked question help and asked it to show me the pages from the textbook, from the e-text that talk about price index. And you see here on page 157 we have a nice simple formula for the price index. You can read this whole section to find out more about what the price index is and how it's used, but for this homework problem we really just need the formula here. So the price index equals the cost of the market basket today divided by the cost of the market basket in the base year and times 100. So we're going to say today is 2001 because it tells us that 91 is our base year. So what we have to do is find out the cost of his basket today. In this case, Jim's basket is Jim's favorite breakfast. And I'm going to use Excel to help me calculate this. You can do it by hand or with a calculator or however floats your boat. But for me, I'll put a label here for this cell is going to be the price in 2001. So the price today. And the price of Jim's breakfast is just going to equal, since he likes 2 eggs, we'll have 2 times the price of eggs, which the table tells us that we can get eggs for $1.08, but that's 12 eggs. So we have to take that $1.08 and divide it by 12 to find out the price of 1 egg, and then multiply that by 2 to find out the price of 2 eggs. So I'll do 2 times 108 divided by 2. Or divided by 12, sorry. And then add to that his 1/5 pound of bacon. So we're told that 1 pound of bacon in 2001 is $2.75. Oh, oops, I've read the 91 price for the eggs, so let me change that. The 2001 price for eggs is 102, so I'll put that. The rest of the calculation is the same. I just put in the price from the wrong side of the table. So fix that. So now, for our 1/5 pound of bacon, we'll do 1/5 times the price of 1 pound of bacon in 2001, which is $2.75. So 1/5 times 2.75. And then we'll add, oops, click something, okay. We'll add to that our 1/7 pound of white toast, and we're told that a pound of bread in 2001 was 98 cents. So we had to do 1/7 times that price, 0.98. And he likes 1/6 can of frozen orange juice, so we'll add 1/6 times the price of 1 can of orange juice, which was 1.86. And he likes 1 pound of grapefruit, which we're told costs 55 cents. So add to that 1 times 55 cents. Alright, and now we've added up the price of all the pieces of the breakfast that Jim likes, and we find that the price of his breakfast in 2001 is $1.72. So the second part of our price index formula is to find the cost of the market basket in the base year. So it tells us that 91 was our base year. So we're going to go through and do exactly the same thing, except this time we're going to use the price from 1991 in our table. So the price of his breakfast in 1991 equals his 2 eggs. So a dozen eggs in 91 was $1.08. So we'll take that $1.08 and divide it by 12 to find out the price of 1 egg, and then multiply it by 2 so that we have the price of our of our 2 eggs. And he likes a fifth pound of bacon, so 1/5 times the price of bacon in 91, which was $2.15 a pound. And he likes, keep doing that after the bacon. There we go. He likes a 1/7 pound of white toast, so 1/7 times the price of a pound of toast. Pound of toast was 63 cents, so 0.63. Plus, he likes a 1/6 a can of orange juice, so 1/6 times the price of the orange juice, which was $1.98. And lastly, he likes a pound of grapefruit, which costs 57 cents in 91. Alright, so in 1991, Jim's breakfast costs $1.60. So, we can take that information and plug it into the formula that we're given in our textbook, which is that the price index is the cost of the market basket today, which is $1.72, the price in 2001, so 1.72, divided by the cost of the market basket in the base year. Base year was 91 and it's $1.60, and then that times 100. So, Excel tells us our price index, Jim's price index for his breakfast, is 107.5, which, as we can see, is choice C here. Check our answer, and we're good to go. Hope that helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to stop by office hours.